We're gonna do the adventure part of RVing. Seven Sister Springs, guys. Look at I lost my first drone, guys. This is gonna be pretty expensive. So it's early in the morning and Mercedes and I have hired a private boat guide to take us out on Crystal River. We hear it's absolutely amazing. Underwater caves. We've got Manatee.
Oh, there's a big manatee.
He's gonna take us about 7 miles all the way down the river, bring us to the Gulf of Mexico. We're gonna do the adventure part of RVing. You gonna go out in the boat today and do Manatee?
Go out in the boat to manatee. Manatee.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, Alfred.
Hi, Alfred.
Very good.
Good morning. What is your name?
I'm
Sage.
Hi, Sage.
All right, everybody wait for a minute. What's the draft on this, like 6 inches?
Yeah.
Yep, nice.
Running about a foot and a half.
Shoes off, boat?
I'm sorry?
Is it shoes
No,
off?
he's good.
Oh,
Whatever you want to do. Keep your shoes off. You're fine.
He's a southerner down here, honey. You're much more laid back than we are.
On carpet.
Yeah.
So this y'all's first time on the Chass?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to Chassahowitzka.
Look at how clear this water is, man. Seven Sister Springs, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that hole down there.
This one here too.
Oh, so you can swim down through that and pop out the other side?
Any one of them.
Look at that. Hey, Alfred, is it okay if I swim that tunnel?
Alright. Sage, Daddy's gonna do something, but we're gonna stay in here.
That'll wake you up.
Stay with me, please. Stay with me.
It's super clear. Ready?
I'm ready.
This is like
There it is.
That's crazy.
little daddy.
Silly Daddy.
Oh, this water's so beautiful.
Did you like it?
Oh my God, it was absolutely incredible.
Did you say Chassahowitzka? Yeah, you can say it. You said it good. Paradise at its finest.
Well, you know what I love about this down here, Alfred? There's no government. There's not a whole bunch of rules.
Nice.
Look at that spring, man.
And then this one right at the end of the dock.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
I think I might need to do the bug spray.
Bug go busy.
Could you take us out fishing?
Of course I can.
All right. All right.
what I do.
I started trying to shoot the campground over water, and I had the drone too far away from me. I had visual line of sight, I could see it, but I forgot that I had it reversed. So I got close to trees to get a really nice shot of this campground and these boat areas, canoes, and I went to do the joystick to the right, and the drone did the opposite and went right into the trees. I fell out of the sky into the water. I was about 100 yards away from him, but there was a whole bunch of really cool people, and this guy Peter jumped in on his surfboard and kind of went over to put on a mask, went down, pulled it up off the bottom, rode it over to me. I took it out, and now I'm online trying to figure out if I have to buy a new drone or if they can repair it. So we're gonna reach out and see what they can do for me. And I'm probably not gonna get my drone back for a couple of weeks.
So this is a big problem.
This is a big problem because this is part of how we make our videos now. You know, it stinks, but it is what it is, and you do what you gotta do.
Well, and there's too much pretty stuff and really good trees. The trees here, 10 out of 10.
Oh my God, the trees are amazing. They got this like ivy and this moss hanging out. They're just magical.
They are. All right, we're here. What a cutie.
Going to buy a drone.
This doesn't seem right. $400 for this.
For that. That's it right there. But believe it or not, it has the same flight time. We're in such a beautiful place right now that we can't wait a week. We've only got a few days left here, and the place is so beautiful. We just want to share it with you guys, so I'm gonna buy a drone. Half a pound.
That's crazy.
Sadie, look. Try this one?
Okay.
Alright, here it is, the new Mavic Mini. Oh my God, look at how small
Put
this
your
thing
hand
is.
next to it. So like,
check that out, guys. Wow, look at that. And it acts just like the Mavic Pro.
All right, now you got to get it all registered and stuff.
Yeah, now I got to jump on. I got to figure out my FAA license, and I've got to get a new registration number for this one so that they'll know who to go after if it ever hits anybody. But I never fly these near people or over anyone. Got a little hole in the boat.
Oh, really? Oh, no.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Oh, good.
We gotta go fast.
Yeah.
Very cool. I don't think we brought enough stuff.
My heart was stuck in hibernating, stuck in the ice where there's no feeling.
Right over the top, yeah.
You shine on.
Look at all their friends.
You shine on.
She's helping you row.
Shine on. You shine on. You shine on. You shine on.
Hey, do you see some fish down here?
Love thawed me out, melting all the fears I had and all the doubt. Now we have the wildest dreams. There's nobody I'd rather have to stand by me.
Okay, both. Hurry, hurry, hurry this one, hurry this one. You're going the other way now.
I can't keep this straight.
Come on.
This is like,
Just, it's technique. One big circles, yep.
I know, but if anybody...
Faster, faster. Put the brakes on, put the brakes on.
Oh no, it's like you teach me to drive
Left,
again.
left, left, left.
I did not like that.
Well, you're right, you're right, you're right. Babe, you gotta watch out for traffic in front of you.
You're the worst.
You shine on, you shine on, you shine on, you shine on me, you shine on, you shine on, you shine on.
Dirty dog.
Shine on, you shine on.
What you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing?
You shine on me, you shine on, you shine on, you shine on, you shine on me. The cold is finally gone. Well, I've been waiting for someone like you to come along.
I'll hold your hand.
Grab
Jump.
Alfred's hand.
Good jumping. Oh my goodness.
Don't worry, you'll get it. Now stay right there.
Stuck in hibernating, stuck in the ice where there's no feeling. You shine on, you shine on, you shine on, you shine on.
This place is amazing. Crawfish and alligator, mac and cheese. You like alligator bites?
I do like alligator.
This is called a beignet.
A beignet?
Beignet.
All right, let's beignet. You're snorting sugar.
I'm not a stranger to this certain kind of pain. It would seem I'm actually addicted to walking away.
Give him a penny. Throw the penny in there, honey. Very good.
Different lights and different streets, adrenaline from my veins.
What are you doing, you silly little girl?
Wanna see.
Pickable.
Won't you come along with me? We'll drive until we reach the sea. And maybe that's all that I really need. Ooh, we could build a rocket ship and fly it to the moon. Or maybe just a little boat to sail the ocean blue. I wonder what it'd be like to leave behind all I once knew. Live out the rest of my days in the
What does this hippo smell like?
Smells like stinky.
It does smell stinky.
There's so much that we could
He's going swimming. He's like, it's hot, man.
Won't you